YouTube. Today we're gonna do a clutch master cylinder on old Roscoe. It's been needing it. I'm grinding gears. It just won't go into gears sometimes. It does fairly decent going up through the gears, but trying to downshift, it locks me out. I have to slow all the way down and put it in first gear for it to go back up in gears. So we're gonna see if this is the problem and check back with you.
Okay, you take these two bolts out, you just follow your clutch to find them, and they are a 14 millimeter. I hate how they get loose, get tight, get loose, get tight. Oh my goodness. Standing on one leg doing this is not very easy. I think this just pops off. Alright, now it's free. Yay. Alright, there's two little tabs here. You just got to pinch those and pull them back, and it should release it. We might have to get a pair of pliers. Oh, I know, I'm back. Sweet. And just turn this and it should pop out of it. Like so. Booyah. Now it's ready to come out.
Okay, I recommend that you bench bleed it before you install it.
What's up guys, Chris from Average Jeepers. Today we're going to show you how to bench bleed your master cylinder. Alright, first thing you're going to do, get some brake fluid. You're just going to pour your brake fluid in. You're going to start pumping your finger. That's it. Hold on. Go ahead.
Alright, just knock this little pin out right here.
And yes. My thing must not be long enough. Alright, we're going to have to get a pair of pliers, pull it out.
Had to get some needle nose to pop it out.
Come on, baby.
No, come on out.
There we go. Let's get some of this dirt so it doesn't fall in.
In the mud is dirty.
Who was holding it?
Got another touchdown there.
I might have to have you hold that while I line that up.
Okay. Good.
Alright, it came with all the gaskets and hardware, so we're going to replace it all so we don't leak fluids. Take that one, get rid of it. Looks like it goes either way. Pop it right up in there. Like that, you hear the click. And then you push this little piece of junk thing right here. You have to force it in, but the heck? Might have to put a little pinch on the one end. Have to put a little pinch on it because it's a little too big to want to get started. Oh yeah, gotta start. There we go. There it is. Then you want to make sure to fill it up. That's a little too full, but
There we are now.
Alright, you want to make sure to put your stopper ring and all on before you pop it in, because they say it doesn't come out. Alright, we are in there. And there's a little pin, I can't film it, but it's right here. Alright, we're on there. Come on, ring. Look at that, dude. I just tell it to come on and it pop right on.
How do you do it?
This piece of shit. What the fuck was you thinking? This is the crappiest design I think I've ever seen with anything dealing with a clutch. What a stupid son of a bitch. You know what I mean?
I know what you mean.
That's it. Alright folks, we kind of fought that safety switch back in, but we got her done. We check and see if we need to bleed it. We may need to bleed it, the clutch line, we may not, but we'll check and see. The clutch. Turn off the AC.
Yes, it has AC.
Needs gas.
Gas, check engine light on, that's average.